To learn this edit, come along with me in this tutorial and you will learn it. Let's go. I first take a screenshot of the video and insert the image into the PicSart program and remove the moon from the image using the remove tool. Let's go back to the CapCut program. Now we insert the image into the CapCut and copy it from the video and place it in the second layer and separate the hand from the background and the cutout part and keyframe it to the beginning and end of the video. In the first keyframe, the subject's hand must be outside the frame, and in the second keyframe, insert the subject's hand to the frame and apply the ease-in effect between the two keyframes. We repeat the same process again for the next image. We take a copy of the second video and place it in the second layer at the end of the first video, and separate the subject's hand and the tree from the cutout section. Again, in the first keyframe, the subject's hand is out of the frame, and in the second frame, the subject's hand is in the frame. And between the two keyframes, we make an quieten effect. And we repeat all this process for another videos. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and don't forget to share it with your friends.